Hi everyone, today we're exploring the ISLEHOP Pilates bar kit with 6 resistance bands, perfect for full body workouts. This kit includes an upgraded Pilates stretch fusion bar that can transform into an abdominal roller for extra core training. It features 6 durable resistance bands ranging from 30 to 240 pounds, made with double-layer thickened latex for enhanced elasticity. The adjustable nylon straps with metal buckles make it easy to customize height for the whole family's use. With added accessories like soft cushions, extra AB rollers, and a Pilates mat, it protects your knees and improves comfort. This versatile home gym set replaces heavy equipment, ideal for squats, lunges, stretching, and weightlifting. Plus, its portable design and quick assembly ensure you can work out anytime, anywhere with stability and comfort. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.